Good morning, biology students. Hopefully you got through the first part of this rabbit simulation yesterday and you've been able to collect the data and then answer those initial observation questions. Remember that this is similar to what you guys did before, but notice that you did look at several other traits. So what you guys are going to do today is finish this up and do the data analysis, write your explanation, and then also do some application questions. Okay? So let me show you what that's going to look like. You are working on this part of the activity. You're going to make a copy of the Google Sheet and move your data into this sheet. I did highlight in yellow the 5 for you because that's when you introduced the wolves, was at the beginning of generation 5. And then the 9 is highlighted in blue so that you know that that's when you changed the food source. So it went to the tough plants and also the limited food. So that just is helpful when you're looking at your data. So you're going to move your data that you got from yesterday in your data table. You're going to move that into the sheet, okay? And then you're going to make a graph. So I have a sample here to show you. The reason that I have 2 is I actually did this twice. I did it once with wolves and once without wolves. But we're just looking at, I wasn't sure what we wanted to do, but I decided to do it this way. So remember that when you don't have to do any averaging. This is your total of the population. You're going to click on this generation, highlight all of your data here, and you're going to click the chart. And you'll get your graph like this. I would suggest that you probably change the color of some of these. So we do want it to be a line graph. Don't forget to label over here. This will be the number of rabbits in the population. You can change the colors of these lines if you go to customize and then series, and then you choose which one you want to change. So I would definitely change the long teeth to a different color. Maybe like a brown so that I can really see what's happening with that. And then I think like the straight ears and the short teeth are kind of similar. So I'm going to change my short teeth to, change it to pink. That kind of stands out a little bit more. So make it so that you can see the different colors, the different lines that are there. Make sure you've got a good title, because right now that's not a very great title. This is good for the generations, and then again, you're going to label there. So what you'll then do is use your graph. Remember that you can insert it. So click the 3 dots, and then click copy chart. You can put that chart right into your sheet. So that's here where you'll insert your chart. So insert your graph. I can paste it there. And then I can link it to the spreadsheet or not. Either way is fine. If I click paste, my graph will show up right there. And then you interpret your graph. So those are the trends and patterns, the things that you see in your graph, kind of what's going on, what's happening. Answer these questions about, you know what, this should have been taken out, this part about, do the prediction of what would happen if the drought is gone and now there's excessive rainfall and that the plants are able to change again. What would then happen to the rabbit population if we go back to the initial food source? And then write your explanation, and then you'll do this application. Don't forget to watch the video that's here that will give you some more information about salamanders. And then tomorrow during class time, we will talk about all of this and kind of make sense of it. So what you need to do is finish this up so that you can get that turned in. And then make your graph, and you should be all set. All right, so if you get stuck, let me know. Shoot me an email, and I can help you kind of figure out where you're stuck and what's going on. I am going to be a little bit more available. We are doing remote here at school the next 2 days at least. So if you are stuck, let me know, and we can do some quick Zooming one-on-one. So have a great day, and I will see you tomorrow.